Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the mesh and cushions closely. Remove one cushion by gently pulling at the tab so you can access the foam and driver rim. Once done, wipe the driver rim and cushion seam with a slightly damp microfiber using 70% isopropyl to remove oils that distort seal. Make sure no debris or sticky residue remains in the groove. Small particles cause gaps that leak sound. Keep the removed cushion nearby so you can compare fit as you proceed. You next focus on restoring the seal. Align the cushion tab and press the edges firmly, moving around the ear cup to ensure uniform contact. This evens pressure and reduces leakage. If the seam is torn, apply a thin 1-2 mm adhesive strip inside the groove and press until set. This repairs the seal without bulk. For worn foam, swap the insert or add a thin 0.5 mm foam shim to restore spacing. These adjustments change the air gap and rebalance low-frequency containment. You finish by reinstalling the cushion and pressing around until it clicks into place, then run a listening test. Play spoken word and bass-heavy tracks to detect leaks or imbalance. Once done, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control and digital crown for 15 seconds if firmware issues might affect noise cancellation. If you still hear leakage after seals and foam are fixed, inspect the housing for cracks or loose internal mounts. In that case, contact Apple or a qualified repair service for a driver-level fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.